Welcome students. Today I'm going to show you how to use the amortization function in your BA2+. But before we get started, I would kindly ask that you hit the like button. I would be forever grateful to you. Now, many people don't know that the BA2+ can help you create an amortization table. So for this problem, we're going to start with these initial elements. We have 5 years at 7% for a loan of $10,000, and we're going to pay that loan off down to zero. That would mean that our payment is $2,438.91. Now, some of you may know that the payment that we solve for here is actually made up of two elements, our interest payment and our principal payment. You can see down here in my chart, in the orange is my principal payment. That's what's used to pay down the loan. And in the blue is the interest payment. And that's just the interest that we pay for taking that loan out. Interesting about this chart is that you notice that the total amount is flat year over year. Every single year, we pay $2,438. What changes, however, is how much we're paying in principal and how much we're paying in interest year after year. I'm going to show you how to use your BA2+ to actually build the amortization table. So I've already put in all my elements. I've solved for payment. What you're going to do now is you're going to do second and above present value is amort. So P1 is 1, P2 is 1. Okay, it's our first year. Now notice it's going to give us our ending balance first, 8,261. That's exactly what we have here. Our principal payment for that first year is $1,738.91. And our interest payment is $700. That's also exactly what we have here. Now, let's say I wanted to calculate the next year. I would change my P1, year 2, and P2 to also 2. That'll give us that second year. So notice the balance now is $6,400, the same here. And the principal and the interest exactly for that second year. So one thing that's interesting is you can actually do a range. So period 1, let's do year 1. And period 2, let's do year 5, enter. So for our balance, it's going to effectively be 0. But notice now, this is going to tell us how much we paid in principal, which is effectively $10,000. And it's going to tell us how much we paid in total interest payments, $2,194.53. You can actually change the range. We can do P1 from year 1 to year 2. In this case, we're doing it from year 1 to year 5. I would suggest you play with it, but this was just a quick video. If you guys find it useful, I can make a much larger video.